We are making pan-seared bone-in cowboy ribeye with truffle steak fries. Let's first start with the fries. First, cut 2 russet potatoes into squares so it's even and cut it in the middle twice, then rinse it. Now chop some garlic, rosemary, and parsley. This will be used to garnish the fries later. Chop it until it's nice and fine. Now set this aside and let's work on the steak. Get a pot of canola oil and get the pot hot at about 65% heat. You need to reach 350 degrees on the oil, and that'll take about 9 minutes. Blanch the potatoes and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. When it turns golden brown, take it out, put it in a paper towel, and let it rest. Next, we're going to season the steak. Season the steak on both sides with kosher salt, ground black pepper, and garlic salt. Now use the residual in the pan to cover the sides of the steak. Then get a pan hot at about 70% heat. Use half a cup of canola oil, enough to cover the pan. Now let the oil get hot for 1 minute. Now add in the steak. Now add in butter, garlic, and rosemary. Flip it when it's nice and caramelized like this. Push the steak to the front, set back the pan, and baste it. Add 1 cup of red wine, cook for 20 seconds, preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Take it out of the oven and let it rest for 8 to 10 minutes. Now for the residual liquid on the pan, set the pan hot at 70% heat and reduce it by 70%. This will take about 2 minutes. Now add in heavy cream and reduce it for 70%, and this will take about 4 minutes. You need to achieve a thick consistency that looks like this. To test it, run your finger down the middle of the spoon, and if the sauce on the sides of the spoon aren't runny, you got it. Now add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Make sure that you're moving the pan around so the sauce doesn't break. Our chef Alex here used to have a chef in culinary school that used to say, if your booty ain't shaking, your sauce is breaking. Now set it aside because we are going to blanch the potatoes again. Get the pot hot again at 65% heat and get the oil up to 350 degrees. Now only take out these fries when they're GBD, or otherwise known as golden brown delicious. This should take about 3 to 6 minutes. Go ahead and take it out, and now we're gonna plate. Now get out that bowl with chopped garlic, rosemary, and parsley and mix the fries in it. Now drizzle white truffle oil on top. You can also use black truffle oil. Add kosher salt, Creole seasoning. Mix it up a little bit, then slice the steak, and we gon' plate. Now it is finished.